In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix friend request not sending Facebook. So I've already got Facebook open here and I'm on the main screen. The first thing I'm going to do is head up to the top part of the page where all the main icons are, and I click on the friends icon. This is where Facebook keeps all friend related activity, including requests you've received and sent. Once that opens up, I click on friend requests so I can see the list of incoming requests. From here, I'm going to look for the option that lets me manage the requests I've already sent out, so I go ahead and click on view sent request. This takes me to a separate list that shows all the friend requests I've sent that are still pending. Now that I'm looking at my sent requests, I can see the ones that haven't been accepted yet. At this point, what I want to do is start clearing these out because having too many pending requests can sometimes prevent new ones from going through. So I go through the list and I begin cancelling the requests that are still waiting. To do that, I simply click on cancel request next to each name. I'll do it one by one, just clicking cancel request, then moving to the next one and doing the same thing again. As I cancel each request, it disappears from the list, which means it's no longer pending. I keep going like this, just repeating the same action, clicking cancel request, then moving down the list until I've cleared out the pending requests I want to remove. You don't necessarily have to remove every single one, but clearing several of them usually helps reset things. Once that's done, I pause for a moment and let the changes apply. Now my list of sent requests is much shorter or completely cleared depending on how many I cancelled. At this point, Facebook has fewer pending requests tied to my account, which helps avoid limits that might have been blocking new ones. After that, I can go back and try sending a new friend request again, and it should go through normally this time. The issue is usually tied to having too many pending requests, so clearing them out helps fix that, and that's basically it. Just by going into your sent requests and cancelling the ones that are still pending, you can fix the problem and get your friend requests working again.